Good morning, student. Chapter 8 Minerals and Energy Resources Part 2. In this chapter, energy resources divide into two parts: conventional source of energy and non-conventional source of energy. In this video, we will learn about conventional source of energy like coal, petroleum, nuclear energy, and their distribution, advantages and disadvantages. First, conventional source of energy. The energy sources which cannot be compensated once time used and for lost ever are termed as conventional source of energy. For example, coal, petroleum and natural gas. First, coal. Coal is a conventional source of energy. It is an inflammable organic substance composed of hydrocarbons found in sedimentary rocks. Coal is the main source of power generation in India. Depending upon the percentage of carbon, there are four varieties of coal found in India. First, anthracite. First variety of coal, anthracite. It is the best quality of coal and contain over 80% carbon. It is black in color. It is found only in Jammu and Kashmir in a small quantity. Clear? Second variety of coal, bituminous. It contains about 60 to 80% carbon. It is mostly found in Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. It is the most widely used variety of coal. Third, lignite. Third variety of coal, lignite. It is also called brown coal. It is of inferior quality. It contains about 50 to 60% carbon. It is found in Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Assam, Jammu and Kashmir. And fourth variety of coal, peat. It is the first stage of transformation of wood to coal. It contains about 40 to 50% carbon. Clear? Next, there are two geological age of coal, Gondwana coal and tertiary coal. About 98% coal is of Gondwana type and mainly 2% coal is of tertiary type. Advantages of coal. There are some advantages of coal. First, primary source of energy. Second, affordable and stable prices. Third, easy to burn. Fourth, coal is versatile. Disadvantages of coal. There are some disadvantages of coal as are under: first, environmental impact. Second, coal mining impact. Disadvantages of coal. The some disadvantages of coal as are under: first, environmental impact. Second, coal mining impact. Third, impact of miners' health. And fourth, non-renewable sources of energy. Clear? Second, petroleum. Petroleum, the word petroleum has been derived two Latin words, petro and oleum. Petro and oleum. Petro means rocks and oleum means soil. It means petroleum is oil obtained from rocks, particularly sedimentary rocks of the earth. Other hand, petroleum is an inflammable liquid that is composed of hydrocarbons, which constitute 90 to 95% of carbon. Distribution of petroleum. Mumbai High. It is also called Sagar Samrat Basin and Eliabet in Maharashtra. Second, Digboi, Naharkatia, Rudra Sagar in Assam. Third, Ankleshwar, Koili, Kalol in Gujarat. Advantages of petroleum. There are some advantages of petroleum as are under first. It can be extracted easily. Second, it has high density. Third, it can be extracted at low cost. Clear? Disadvantages of petroleum. First, it is now limited. Second, environmental pollution. Third, it is non-renewable form of energy. Fourth, the depletion of fossil fuel leads to limited supply of petroleum. Clear? Next, nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the raw material used for generation of atomic energy is uranium and thorium. The main raw materials used for generation of atomic energy is uranium and thorium. Uranium is available in the copper belt of Bihar and the rocks of the Aravalli range in Rajasthan. The monazite sands on Kerala coast contain thorium. Distribution of nuclear energy, nuclear power station in India. The oldest nuclear power station is Tarapur in Maharashtra, Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu, Rawatbhata in Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, Kakrapara in Gujarat, Kaiga in Karnataka, Kundankulam in Tamil Nadu. Advantages of nuclear energy. Some advantages of nuclear energy as are under first. Less use of fossil fuel. Second, lower the greenhouse gas emissions. Third, helps in reducing pollution. Fourth, less amount of fuel is required. Clear? Disadvantages of nuclear energy. There are some disadvantages of nuclear energy as are under first. Environmental impact. Second, radioactive waste. Third, nuclear accidents. Fourth, high cost. And 5, it is used to make weapons. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.